Alright. I've been talking about trying to get out of the high work, but this is crazy. We're on, I'm trying to get these bees out of a microwave tower junction box. If you're afraid of heights, don't look down. Yeah, that's the 57 freeway. That's the 10 freeway heading east. There's a lake over there. There's 57 freeway again. Where's Dave? Dave Samberdew Dave is here with us. Wave! That's Dave. Dave's got the groundwork today. Yeah, the box is packed. So, but good thing it's only partially packed. Alright, back to work. Enough fun for the day.